Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present to you the top 5 best fishing rod case available on the market today. We made this list from our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. If you are here for the first time at our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the daily video notification. So without further ado, let's get started. The number 1 position is dominated by Plano Airliner Telescoping Fishing Rod Case. The Plano Airliner Telescoping Rod Case is an adjustable case that can reach 88 inches in length or collapse down to 47 inches. With a weight of just 7 pounds, this rod case provides you with more storage space than many others on the market. This fishing pole case, although appears so small and easily transportable, can actually store up to 8 fishing rods, allowing you to pack up as many as you need for your fishing trip. This product is designed to be the best means for transporting your rods even during air travel. The hard packaging is sure to keep them protected and well secured. Overall, the Plano Airliner telescope is of high quality and is definitely one of the more travel-friendly cases. If you want to know about the latest price of the Plano Airliner telescoping rod case, check the description box. Moving on to the next, at number 2, a Docooler folding fishing rod case. This next rod case is designed to be both water resistant and wear resistant, allowing you to enjoy a worry-free fishing trip. Its wear resistant canvas ensures a long life thanks to its durable protection for your fishing rods. Its zipper has also been carefully considered as it maintains the same great quality as the rest of the product with double reinforced stitching, helping to avoid frustrations of dealing with zipper-related incidents. The Docooler folding fishing case comes in varying sizes and is equally of varying prices from 120cm, 130cm, as well as a 150cm case. No matter the length of your fishing rod, Docooler has the case for you. What makes this rod stand out apart from the rest is the availability for storage around the case. The model contains various pouches around the sides apart from its 3 main compartments, allowing you to transport and carry all of your equipment at once. For portability, the 2-layer case contains a single shooter strap, while the 3-layer fishing bags are equipped with a double shooter strap. This fishing pole case comes only in a dark green color and carries a package weight of about 1.7 to 2.5 pounds. All its dimensions and sizing will be sure to serve as the perfect travel case for your fishing rods. If this is your desired product, please check the link in the descriptions below. The number 3 position is held by Flambeau Outdoor Bazuka Pro Fishing Rod Case. This next uniquely shaped fishing rod case comes with convenient perks such as padded lining to ensure your rods remain undamaged while they are being stored and moved. It can also be completely locked for extra security. The Flambeau Outdoor Bazuka Pro rod tube fits up to 6 average-sized fishing rods and is also perfectly suitable for a saltwater fishing rod. Although it is a relatively simply-looking model, the tube size can be easily increased if necessary, showing that this product has been clearly built with customer satisfaction in mind. Fisher people that are always on the move swear by this product as one of the easiest to deal with, whether it is by flight or just simply throwing it in the back of a truck. As an added bonus, it comes equipped with the hinged doors providing for easy access to your equipment when it matters most. In case you still harbor any worries, you'll be glad to know that this particular product comes with a 1-year warranty. The casing weighs about 1.75 pounds and is 74 by 6 by 6 inches in size. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please do like, share, and comment. Next at number 4, a Flambeau Outdoor Bazuka Rod Tube. Available in both the Pro, as listed earlier, and single version, the Flambeau rod tube remains for the purpose of fulfilling all of your storage needs and is one of the best fishing rod cases in the market. As the manufacturer continues to keep the customers in mind, this model also comes with hinged doors for ease of access as well as security lock to keep your equipment extra secure. The differences between the two products provided by the manufacturer are not many, but they do include a lack of foam padding, And this is also the smaller of the two, but designed in such a way that makes it even more durable. There is also a slight difference in the pricing, and with this model carrying a bit of a higher price tag. This fishing rod travel case is also both extendable and lightweight, and designed for easy portability. Whether you opt for a Flambeau Outdoor Bazuka Pro or just a Flambeau Outdoor Bazuka, both tubes are designed to remain strong and durable and will keep your fishing rods and equipment well stored as well as protected. If you have already used any of these products, do let us know through a comment. It will help others to avoid the buy. Also, check out the buying guide attached to the description below. Finally, at number 5, a BW Sports spinning rod and reel case. This next unique model is designed to get you out and set up as soon as possible, providing enough space for you to be able to leave your reels connected to the rods, and also equipped with large zippers to allow easy access to gear. It is a one-of-a-kind model that provides an appropriate casing for both your rod and your reel, a two-in-one deal. The BW Sports spinning rod and reel case comes with plenty of space for storage, with outlying pockets and a padded section for your reel. This product comes in the color olive green. It's 45 inches in length and will carry up to a 7-foot fly rod, and also for your convenience, it comes with a shoulder strap and a web carry handle. And for that extra special touch, it offers saltwater resistant zippers and glides, as well as internal nylon socks. The feature of this particular casing therefore allows for ease when lugging it into your vehicle to travel, and also when carrying it for long distances. Whether you are traveling, going kayaking or hiking, the BW Sports spinning rod and reel case will cater to all your fishing equipment casing needs. That's all for today. We upload outdoor product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notifications.